could use a love of some kind. I've read the books, I've tried it all. I've lived behind a curtain, and maybe life is protocol, but I still feel uncertain.